This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Keller. This 3-bedroom plus DEN Cayman model is loaded with upgrades and newer items and enjoys an exceptional golf course view over the 15th and 14th holes. Most everything in this home has been recently remodeled/replaced, which includes new roof 3 years ago. Newer hardwood floors in main living areas with upgraded carpet in bedrooms and tile in baths. Kitchen remodeled in 2018 with high-end white cabinets, Bosch appliances and granite counters. Both baths and laundry room have also been recently updated with remodels. The laundry also features front-load LG washer and dryer. Enjoy terrific golf views from your outdoor living area with pavered pool deck and pool/spa combo with newer equipment. The den not only has the hardwood flooring but also built-in cabinetry. The master closet also has terrific built-ins. Plantation shutters on windows. Electric roll-down hurricane screen for lanai with accordion storm shutters for windows. This home comes with a bundled golf membership. Major golf course renovation just completed to the highest standards. Almost all other amenities just redone or recently refreshed. Colonial CC is a highly desirable resort community that offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, fitness center, resort-style pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. Moderate HOA fees, high-quality amenities and convenient location make this community a great choice. Your new Florida home has all the best stuff and will immediately impress. For more information, review the details below.